Hello everyone, I'm Haoyu. On behalf of my co-authors, I will be presenting our late-breaking work on holistic HMI design for automated vehicles. As we embrace the age of automated vehicles, or AVs, effective communication is a necessity. This communication is not only between the AV and its in-vehicle user, but also AV interacting with other road users, such as pedestrians and cyclists. Accordingly, most of the current HMI designs focus on either internal or external interfaces, which might neglect the coordination between the two, or the need of involving both internal and external stakeholders, like in real-world scenarios. Therefore, in this work, we looked into the potential of the holistic HMI design approach to bridge internal and external communication in AVs. So we organized the participatory workshop at the Automotive UI conference to explore scenarios where such holistic perspective might be beneficial. To assist the participants in creating scenarios considering multiple users, we utilized the toolkits including detailed instructions and physical tokens. The instructions broke down the potential scenarios into 5 key components: personas, including in-vehicle user and pedestrian, the AV, the environmental setting, and the interactions. At the end of the workshop, the participants created 3 scenarios as shown in the sketches. In the paper, we also describe the key points of discussion while creating these scenarios. Based on the outcomes, we gained 3 key insights. First, we recognize HMI escalation as a shared design strategy. Second, we identify often overlooked interactions between in-vehicle user and pedestrian. Third, we also expand our understanding of holistic HMI, emphasizing a design process early on, focusing on multiple users. We hope that this work can act as a launching pad for discussion around this topic of holistic HMI and prompt further exploration. We would like to discuss with you more on this topic. Thank you for your attention.